Happy birthday,
Pastora!
Thank you for your prayers and understanding.
Gusto lang po namin magpasalamat sa lahat ng sakripisyo at pagmamahal niyo sa amin. Sa pagiging laging nandyan para makinig at maggabay.
Salamat po hito ni imo mga words of wisdom, hito ni imo guidance and support haamon. We thank the Lord for your life and we are grateful nga ikaw iton amon spiritual mother and advisor.
Salamat po for helping us during our wedding. We are not where we are today kung wala po kayo.
Salamat sa iyong pagiging maupay nga gurang sa among tanan.
Para gito mo, dahil sa pag-umpisa mo sa Tacloban hanggang sa ngayon, ito yung verse para sa iyo. 1:16 verse 21. Katulad ito ng isang babaeng naghihirap dahil malapit ng manganak. Pero pagkasilang ng sanggol, nakakalimutan na niya ang lahat ng hirap dahil sa kagalakan sapagkat naisilang na niya ang sanggol dito sa mundo. Nung pag-umpisa mo, medyo nahirapan ka pero nakita mo na yung mga anak mo, mga supling mo, hindi lang sa personal o sa biological, kundi yung mga anak mo sa pananampalataya kay Jesus, ay alam ko nga masaya ka ngayon.
Kawikaan 9:11 na sapagkat sa pamamagitan niya, dadami ang iyong karawan at ang mga taon ng iyong buhay ay magsisipagdami.
Numbers chapter 6 verse 24 to 26. The Lord bless you and protect you. The Lord make His face shine on you and be gracious to you. The Lord lift up His face to you and grant you peace.
Psalm 20 verse 4. May He give you the desire of your heart and make all your plans succeed. Happy birthday, Lola Marlene. I love you.
May God grant you strength, favor, and overwhelming peace in this new chapter of your life.
And we pray that the Lord will continue to bless you with strength, joy, and peace in the years to come.
We appreciate you, Pastor Marlene. God bless you always po.
Akong pag-ampo nga tagan ka pa ni Lord sin hataas nga kinabuhi.
Happy birthday. Wish you a good health, May. And damo na blessing ang mabot sa imo. Enjoy your day.
More birthdays to come. We love you. God bless.
Happy birthday
po, Pastora! We love you!
Happy birthday, Pastora Marlene! We love you!
Happy birthday, Pastor Marlene! Thank you for your ministry. God bless!
Happy birthday, Pastor Marlene, and happy Mother's Day.
Oh, hili-hili pagkain ito, Pastora ay.
I love you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ma.
Love you so much!
Batang buutan sa Diyos yung kakaloyan. Batang buutan pinalangga sa ginikanan. Busa mga bata, tahod ka mo sa inahan. Inahang nagapasan sa tanang kagulanan.
Happy birthday, Boo. I love you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Cha cha cha.
Happy birthday, Pastora Marlene from Arbol family.
Happy birthday, Father Marlon.
Happy birthday, Pastora Marlene.
God bless you po.
Okay, greetings coming from Kapuokan. God bless you, more blessings to come, and good health.
Maupay nga adlaw hayo nga tanan dida, labi na haton LRM family, especially nimo Pastora Marlene Impang. Happy birthday, many more birthdays to come. Good health sa kanunay. God will provide all your needs sa imong family o sa imong loved ones.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday.
birthday to you. May God ever bless you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, everyone!
Hi, Pastor Marlene. Happiest birthday. We are grateful for your life and thank you for your ministry and may God bless you more.
Happy birthday, Pastor Marlene!
Wishing you a blessed day filled with joy, laughter, and divine favor.
May God grant you many more years of good health and long life.
May your day filled with the same joy you bring them to others.
Pastor Marlene, again, happy birthday. Thank you for your tireless dedication, spiritual guidance sa mga prayers, and may your life continue to be a reflection of God's goodness and mercy. So, nami Bible verse diha makita sa Jeremiah 29:11, nagingon diha na,
For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future.
Thank you. Happy birthday. God bless.
Habibi, come to Dubai. Happy birthday, Nay Marlene. I miss you and more blessing to come. And long life.
Happy birthday. May the Lord bless you more and more. Padayon lakit, pangalagad sa Ginoo. Damo nga mga blessing na mabot sa imo. Labi na good health.
Kumusta ka man, Len? Kumusta mo? Birthday. Salamat sa Ginoo kay nag-birthday na lat ikaw. Kapira na nimo itong edad. Salamat sa Ginoo. Salamat sa Ginoo. Sa imo happy birthday. Nano man imo dida ko anon. Nano imo pahilipay dida sa imo birthday. Tama na ganito.